Hi, I'm Audrey Anastasi. This exhibition is called Birds from the Hand. They're mostly monotypes, which means that it was a print made from a plate directly, unetched, so there's only one image. And I enhance them using color pencil, different materials, graphite. The first one you see over here is called J. This is Starling. We have a nesting bird over here, which you just saw as the image I used for the card. An egret. This one is called Eagle Wings, from a series from newspaper clippings from way back in the Exxon Valdez. They were very moving photographs, and I held on to them for years and did some artworks from that. This piece is a birch piece, and this one started as a monotype, but it has so much work, including gold leaf, that it really has lost that original monotype base. It's really a work from the work on paper. This one's called Spoken Birch. This is on a wood panel, and it was a panel that had some text on it, and I incorporated that into the images of the birch to kind of indicate the dark markings on the white trunks of the trees. Continuing, we have the piece here called Dove. Again, incorporating text into the multi-layered work on paper. This piece over here, which is called Raven, is an actual monotype plate that after I had made the transfer, I worked back into the plate because I liked the way the image looked, and I made the plate the finished piece. Continuing over here is a monotype called Deep Forest, and this one is a pure monotype without any additional enhancement. There was something about the simplicity of it as it stood that I thought was really finished. This piece is called Night Field, and again it has a lot of aggressive strokes to enhance the strokes of the original monotype. This is a wading magnolia warbler, again an enhanced monotype. This piece is called Fiery Trees. This piece is a little different in terms of scale. It's seagulls. And if you note, when you work back into the reflections in the water, you can really see the strokes of the white pencil. Okay, in this hallway we have a few more pieces. We have another warbler. We have an oily duck, again from the Exxon Valdez series. Something I called Wild Nest, again a nesting bird with lots of wild strokes. A duckling over here, kind of with the feathers sort of in their full position. And then the very last one over here is a small rose-breasted grosbeak. And this was actually a bird in my Brooklyn backyard. I've been photographing and observing birds that come to the suet feeder, and it's been an inspiration. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. So long.